Are you considering a trip to Venice? If so, before your vacation, you should probably learn more about this intriguing city. Italy's two most beautiful cities, Rome and Venice, are definitely worth a trip, whether it's for a weekend getaway or a longer vacation. There are 119 islands that make up Venice, and they are all connected by different bridges and overpasses. Mestre and Venice are connected in Piazzale Roma by the Ponte della Libertà. Since it was established, the city, sometimes known as La Dominante, has experienced frequent flooding. Acqua alta is a phenomenon that still happens frequently and causes a big difficulty for the city. The Adriatic Sea's level rises between autumn and spring, flooding Venice, particularly Piazza San Marco. The authorities occasionally need to lay wooden boards to assist pedestrians since the peaks are so high. The city of Venice is well known for its bridges, including the Rialto Bridge, as well as for its numerous squares, including the Piazza San Marco with the St. Mark's Basilica. This is due to the city's typical location, with all of its different areas being surrounded by so much water. But there is much more to Venice than just gondola rides and unique architecture, as evidenced by the numerous palaces, such as Ca' d'Oro and Palazzo Ducale, Doge's Palace, museums such as Galleria dell'Accademia, Museo Correr, and the Peggy Guggenheim Collection, and churches that can be seen while there, Basilica di Santa Maria Glorioso dei Frari and San Zanipolo. You'll undoubtedly understand that visiting Venice City would take a few days due to the abundance of breathtaking sights. The city of Venice once served as a link between Europe and the Middle East. The huge merchant fleet was primarily to blame for this. As a result, trade occurred and items that were unfamiliar to Europe, such spices and sugar cane, were brought back from distant lands. Another factor in maintaining Venice's riches was shipbuilding. Venetians, however, have not always resided in Italy. It was previously a republic, and the Venetian fleet's presence in the Mediterranean caused the then Republic of Genoa a lot of misery. Venetian authority and wealth declined as a result of numerous wars and engagements, such as the Battle of Sapienza, in which Venice lost a significant portion of her fleet and engaged in disputes with the Pope. The result was the city as it is known today, a distinctive water-rich location with a rich history and fantastic tourist attractions. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. One of the most well-known occasions to visit Venice is its Carnival. The spectacular costumes and masks worn during this 12-day event are renowned around the world. Did you know that people used to wear this mask nearly all year long? People might travel about the city while wearing the mask and remain anonymous. The Biennale di Venezia is another occasion with a large number of attendees. Every other year, this exhibition of art is presented. Every year, events related to architecture, dance, theater, and music take place. The Biennale Festival includes the Venice Film Festival as well. There are so many intricate elements in this Venice Cathedral in St. Mark's Square, from the golden domes with paintings inside to the lovely decorations and statues of animals outside, you'll be astounded. The Doge, the ruler of the former Republic of Venezia, resided in the Doge's Palace, also known as Palazzo Ducale. The splendid chambers of the Doge are now on display in the Doge's Palace Museum. You don't have to be into theater to admire La Fenice Opera House as a lovely landmark. Even if there isn't any opera being performed, a visit to this opera theater is special thanks to the velvet armchairs, the lavishly decorated balconies, the lights, and the beautiful ceiling.